Success. It's a word that dances on the lips of dreamers, entrepreneurs, and everyday people alike. But what does it truly mean? For some, it's landing the dream job. For others, it's building a business from scratch. And for a few, it's simply living a peaceful, happy life. Success is as unique as the person chasing it. But one thing is clear, success is not a destination, it's not a finish line you cross. It's the result of becoming so good at something that the world cannot help but notice. It is the reward of playing the game of life with skill, determination, and a little bit of turbulence. So, let's dive into the 11 rules of success, told as a story, a journey through the high low, and lessons that define what it means to win at life. So, rule number 1, have a vision and have a plan. Imagine standing at the edge of the vast ocean. If you don't have a clear direction, the waves will sweep you away. Your life will become a series of choices made by others. Your career, your relationships, even your hobbies. Without a vision, you will wake up one day and realize the person you once dreamed of becoming is gone. Success begins with a North Star, a clear goal that guides every decision, every effort, every step forward. What's your target? Find it and let it light your way. Rule number 2. If you don't ask, the answer is no. Life is a game of opportunities and you miss every shot you don't take. Think about it. If you don't ask for the promotion, the answer is already no. If you don't pitch your idea, it's already rejected. But here is the secret. There is no downside to trying. Even you fail, you are no worse off than before. And sometimes just by playing the numbers game, you will hit the jackpot. You only need to get it right once. Rule number 3. Done is better than perfect. We are all perfectionists at heart, but perfection is the enemy of progress. People get so caught up in the details that they never finish what they started. The truth, the world does not need perfection. It needs value. Release your work even if it's not flawless. Learn from the feedback and improve as you go. In the tech world, they call this the minimum viable product, MVP. It's the bare bones version that good enough to launch. Remember, good enough today is better than perfect tomorrow. Rule number 4. Time will pass anyway, so use it wisely. 5 years from now, you will either have your degree, your business, or your dream career, or you won't. The difference? The choices you make today. Time does not wait for anyone. It speeds up as you grow older. And before you know it, a decade has slipped by. So ask yourself, what can you do today to set yourself up for success tomorrow? The clock is ticking. Rule number 5. Nobody is coming to save you. Here is the hard truth. No one is going to hand you success on a silver platter. You have to save yourself, offer advice, and help you overcome obstacles. But this is your journey. You are the one who has to run the race. Take ownership of your life. Meditate, reflect, and build the mental strength to push forward. Because in the deep waters of uncertainty, there is no guarantee a lifeguard will show up. Rule number 6. Success comes from putting order into turmoil. Disorder is the enemy of focus. If your life is a mess, your mind will be too. Start small. Clean your room, make your bed, create a to-do list. These little acts of water will ripple through your life, creating a foundation of success. Remember, the mind thrives in clarity, not clutter. Rule number 7. Hardships are life's way to testing you. Life is full of fights, big challenges that test your strength and resolve. But here is the thing. Every hardship is an opportunity to grow. It's life's way to asking, how badly you want this? Most people give up, but the one who push through are the one who earn the prize. So face your challenges head on. There are proof you are on the right path. Rule number 8. Wake up with purpose. Purpose is the fuel that drives your success. When you wake up with a clear goal in your mind, you are no longer drifting through life. You are charging forward. Purpose gives you a direction, clarity, and the motivation to keep going on. So, what's your purpose? Find it and let it guide your days. Rule number 9. Monetize your passion. Passion is powerful, but it's not enough on its own. To turn your passion into success, you need to monetize it. Study those who have done it before you and learn from their strategies. Figure out your product or service, set your price, and find your audience. When you combine passion with profit, you have found the sweet spot. Rule number 10: focus determines your reality. Where your attention goes, your energy follows where. If you want to change your life, you have to change your focus. Stop wasting time on distractions and start investing it in your goals. Success is not about luck, it's about your intention. Rule number 11: success is the sum of the all small actions. Success is not a one time event, it's the result of daily habits. What's one thing you can do every day for the next 1,000 days that will transform your life? Find it and commit to it. Consistency is the secret source of success. Alright, success is not just about what you achieve, it's about how impact others. Kindness is a powerful force. It costs nothing to be kind, but the rewards are immeasurable. So, there you have it, the 11 rules of success. Like told as a story, which rules resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments. See all of you in next week with a new wealth building video. Till then, bye bye.